Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and today we want to talk about some of the rising increases in labor costs. Industry averages used to have labor at 20% of our arrangements, but with increasing wages, increasing insurance, and also our building and some other costs that we're seeing increase, we really need to increase our standard labor charge on our daily arrangements to 30%. And so I've seen lots of places that are increasing that. So we've actually developed a tool for you. And on this tool, so you can see it's a sheet that starts off with the retail price. So if your customer comes in and wants a $75 arrangement, it's going to do some of those calculations for you. Because as florists, we know we're not real great at math. And so this is an opportunity for you to have this at everybody's workstations. So normally containers were about 10% of the cost of the arrangement, but we're seeing those costs go up as well too. And so we have an average here of a 15% container cost, and then it gives you the retail value of the flowers that you have left. So if you have an arrangement, so say $75 container arrangement, it gives you $11.25 for a container, and then you would have $44 left for flowers. Now, if you go grab an $8 container instead of $11 container, you add those $3 to the flowers. Or if they want more of a keepsake container, you would do the reverse. And so we want to kind of really make sure we're getting the value out of our labor. So as we're going and doing one for the cooler, what you would do is add up the cost of the flowers. So you're taking the retail cost of flowers again. So I have 3 gerbs, 2 stock, 2 snaps, 1 spray rose, and 1 lily, and then the curly willow. And then I am just using the foliage from the flowers here so that it can be still all Minnesota grown. Then I would add up take the cost of those flowers and go to my little phone calculator and take the cost of that, times it by 1.43. And then I'm going to add the cost of the container. Now that's going to give me the reverse, so that's going to give me my retail to put it in the cooler. So there's 2 ways that you can add up your pieces and not have to use a ton of math, but everybody's got phones in their pockets, so we do have calculators that are handy. But be able to have this chart next to your designers, it's a good way to hold them accountable for the pricing. Profit margins are slim these days, and so we need to make sure that everybody stays profitable. So we've developed this tool for you. The link will be down in the description of the video, and we'll have a Publita's link so that you can download this and print it out, maybe laminate it or make a couple, get them right in front of your designers so that you can make sure you're profitable at the end of the day. I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and I hope I inspired you to create some fabulous florals.